The world of digital cameras keeps evolving, and choosing the right one can be tricky. Here's a quick rundown of the top 5 best digital cameras in 2024 to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 1. CAMKORY Digital Camera. Let's start with our youngest shutterbigs. The FHD 1080p Kids camera is a fantastic option for sparking creativity in little ones. With 44 megapixels photos, S16x zoom, and a compact, durable design, it's perfect for capturing those precious moments and adventures. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries and a lanyard for worry-free fun. Should you buy it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a safe, easy-to-use camera to introduce your kids to photography, this is a winner. It's affordable, comes with everything they need to get started, and most importantly, it's tough enough to withstand the occasional bump or drop. My experience. Imagine my surprise when my niece got sharper close-ups of her pet lizard than I ever could with my phone. This camera is surprisingly good, and the kids love the bright colors and playful design. Number 2. Dilanto Kids Instant Print Camera. Next up, we have the Dilanto Kids Instant Print Camera. This little marvel takes 1080p videos and captures photos you can instantly print and cherish. It's a fantastic way for kids to develop a love for photography while creating tangible keepsakes. Should you buy it? This camera is perfect for kids who love seeing their creations come to life right away. Plus, it doubles as a fun party favor or a birthday gift that keeps on giving. My experience. The printing feature is a game changer. My nephew threw a mini birthday bash for his teddy bear, and this camera captured all the hilarious moments. The printed photos were a delightful surprise for everyone. Number 3. Kodak Digital Camera. Alright, let's move on to something a bit more grown-up. The Kodak PIX-PRO Friendly Zoom FZ45 is a fantastic choice for casual photographers who want a user-friendly camera with good image quality. The 16-megapixel sensor and 4x optical zoom let you capture clear photos of everyday moments, while the wide-angle lens helps you fit more into the frame. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a simple, reliable camera for everyday photography, this Kodak is a great option. It's easy to use, produces decent photos, and is perfect for capturing travel memories or family gatherings. My experience. I took this camera on a weekend hike, and it did a great job capturing the scenic landscapes. The wide-angle lens was perfect for fitting those majestic mountains into the frame. Number 4. 4K Digital Camera. Calling all aspiring vloggers, this 4K digital camera is a powerful tool for creating stunning content. With 48 megapixels photos and 4K video recording, you can capture crisp, detailed visuals that will grab your viewers' attention. The 180 degrees flip screen lets you frame your shots perfectly, while the anti-shake feature ensures smooth, professional-looking footage. Should you buy it? If you're serious about taking your vlogging game to the next level, this camera is a great investment. It offers excellent value for the price, with features that rival more expensive models. My experience. I used this camera to film a recent cooking tutorial, and the difference in quality was remarkable. The 4K resolution made the food look incredibly mouth-watering, and the flip screen helped me ensure I was always in frame. Number 5. Sony ZV-1F. Finally, we have the king of vlogging cameras, the Sony ZV-1F. This compact powerhouse boasts a large sensor for stunning low-light performance, a built-in microphone for clear audio recording, and a variety of features specifically designed for vloggers, like product showcase mode and background blur.